Hello and welcome to Electric Fisherman. I am here in St. Marks, Florida, and today I'm going to take us on a little fishing trip using the Epropulsion Spirit electric outboard motor. So now we're trucking down the St. Marks River, which feeds into the Gulf of Mexico. So I thought it might be fun if we did a little trolling. So we're gonna cruise down the river, and I'm using a Shadow Wrap Deep lure, and it's one of my favorites. It catches freshwater fish, saltwater fish. I've always had good luck with it, so we're gonna troll this thing off the back of the boat and hopefully we'll get a hit. Alright, I'm just going to let out some line here. But make sure we keep an eye on this well. Oh, I almost maybe had a bite there. Whoa, we got a bite, we got a bite. Okay, let's bring this guy in. Okay. Looks kind of good. Let's see. Okay, we got a little trout. Let's get a look at this guy, get him off the hook. All right, we've got a pretty little trout here. He's too small to keep. Look at those teeth. Let's measure this guy just for fun. All right. Ooh, that guy's close. Ooh, he's very close. Just shy. Whoop. Come here, bud. Oh, buddy. Just shy. Let's throw him back. All right. Take care. Okay, so let's cast our line off again. See how we're doing here. Oh, boy. There we go. Oh yeah. Whoa, this thing's taking some line. What do I have here? This thing's taking some line. There's a big fish. Ooh, I don't want to lose him. Let's let out some line. Let out some line. All right, I'm gonna try to get this guy over. Oh yeah. Whoa, folks. I just caught an absolute monster of a redfish. That is a redfish. Whew. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's a beauty. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Okay, why don't we measure it up and see if we can keep this thing. Okay, folks. A redfish can only be, has to be under 27 inches to keep it. Let's see here. 24. So this thing is just over slot. This is just over 27 inches. Beautiful redfish. What a gorgeous fish. All right, buddy. You are free to go. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more.